Hi, I'm Amber Wessies, Instruction Librarian at Union University. Today I'm going to show you how to request materials through Interlibrary Loan. Interlibrary Loan is a free service provided to the Union community that allows you to borrow materials from other libraries if Union does not have them. Interlibrary Loan is a time-sensitive service. Please do not wait until the last minute to make interlibrary loan requests for a course assignment. Typically, digital materials will arrive in your email within 1 to 2 business days. Print materials are delivered to the circulation desk within 1 to 3 weeks of the request. You will receive an email when your interlibrary loan material is available for pickup. Please note that these timeframes are not a guarantee. There are 2 ways to make an interlibrary loan request. The first is using the quick link Interlibrary Loan Request form on the library's homepage, uu.edu/library. Click the quick link and then choose the appropriate category for your materials. The Interlibrary Loan Request form requires personal information such as your name, your ID number, your phone number, your email address, and the course if you're a student. The bottom half of the form requests information about the material you would like. Please complete the form to the best of your ability, including the required information indicated by the asterisk. Simply submit your request and you will receive an email when your material is available. You can also make an interlibrary loan request directly from the material that you would like to use. For books, search in our catalog for the book that you would like. Then choose the title of the book that you would like to borrow. You will see a blue box with the link Request Item through Interlibrary Loan. Click this link and you will be redirected to a page where you can make your request. Complete the personal information, including your first and last name, your student ID, and your email address, and then submit. For an article, you will search in the database, find the title of your article, and click on that title. Then use the link that says Request this item through Interlibrary Loan. You'll be redirected to an Interlibrary Loan request form. Complete the top half of the form with your personal information. The bottom half of the form about the article you are requesting has been auto-populated for you. Then submit your request. You will receive an email with your article, hopefully within 1 to 2 business days. If you have any questions about Interlibrary Loan, please contact a librarian.